I just found out something to make my braids look really clean. See the finish now. Don't you like it? This is how I started. I started the braids using the normal method of, 3 parts, just having your hair parted in 3 and then crisscrossing with the center going up first. If you braid hair, you would understand what I am saying. But if this is your first time of trying to braid hair, now just see the video and understand what I am saying. The center goes up and then the rest of the 3 hairs now begin to cross each other as you go. This is the normal method that we have been doing, our parents have been doing and all of that. But recently, I saw somewhere where I could do something different to achieve a cleaner, neater, and more relaxed roots, so I don't have that bump that happens sometimes when you braid your hair. I did it, and guess what? It was a blast. Well, when I started making the hair, I wasn't sure if I wanted to try my hands on that new method, but I was like, let me give it a go. So for the most part, or for half of the hair, I used this method, this regular one, and halfway through, I decided to switch things up. So I can say that for this hairstyle, I used 2 different techniques on how to braid. So for this style, please, you may have noticed there is no gel here. So this is all natural. Everything is natural. This is just me, my hands, my hair, and cotton comb. That's all. That's a rat comb. I didn't use gel. I didn't use edge control. I didn't use wax. Nothing. This is just all natural. So if you're looking for what's it called now? That artificial, more pristine, tidiness. No, it's not here today. So it was just around this place that I decided to switch things up, and this is the method. Now, if you paid attention to the first braid that I made, the center part went up, and I did an example here again. So this is what you would normally have done. You would have just gone crisscross, 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 right? No. But in this particular method, the centerpiece comes down first. If you have not seen my video on how to make Didi, go onto my channel and then see the video. I'll just put a link right up here so you can watch the process. I made reference to that video because this method replicates making Didi. It's like you're making Didi, but not just on a flat row on your head. It's like making Didi on a strand. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's like making Didi on a strand, and it is fantastic, I promise you. It may not be easy at first, especially if you have not, deciphered how to help your hands to rest. So you may tire out, but don't give up, because the beauty is in the finishing. So this is the one I made with the regular method, and you can see it's already popping up. Just let you flat. See, it's already popped up. But this one, see how flat it is. My God. This is the newly discovered method, and I'm sticking to it. I promise. I will stick to this method for as long as I can. Anyway, so I'm just packing the hair right now to have it all in a bun so I can see the rest of the hair. As I mentioned earlier, this is all natural. Just my fingers, my hair in its most natural state, freshly washed and with a little bit of shea butter. I hardly sprayed the hair today, but of course it is moisturized, and then cotton comb, that's all. So for the rest of the hair now, I want to have it in sections. I just want to have everything, parted out so that it makes the work easier. In fact, if you have your hair parted out, it will make the bulkiness less in your eyes. When the hair is too much in your eyes, I promise you will just tire out first. So that's what I'm trying to avoid now as I go in and part the rest of the hair, so it is easier for me to just take portions of it and braid and go. Okay, now my comment about gel hair wax earlier doesn't mean that you cannot use it. You can if you please, all right? But for this style, I didn't want to use any gel, any wax or anything. I just want my hair natural, and this is a step to another style that I want to make. Okay, I'll be posting the video of that style in a bit when I'm done with it. So I can actually carry this hair if I wanted. That's this braid, my natural hair braid. If I wanted to wear it like this out, I can, but that's not the goal. Of course, I didn't make the style I wanted to make immediately I made this hair, so I still had to carry it 1 day or 2 before I eventually made that style. So it is very beautiful, it is very neat, and I love the finishing. So this is a closer view of what it looks like. And of course, don't forget to roll the end of your hair when you get to it. It just works perfect. How long did this hairstyle take? Not long, an hour or two. Yeah, I think it's 2 hours. And because of diaper breaks here and there, mothers of toddlers can relate. So you don't entirely have your hands, your time to yourself. So inclusive of diaper breaks, I think it took about 2 hours thereabouts. So this is fast forward of the process so that I don't wear you out. But hey, if you want to try this out, I encourage you 2000% because it is worth the effort, every bit of it. And if you also want to make hair that is a little bulky, so for instance, sometimes you want to make your hair fat or big, whatever word you would like to choose, this is even a better technique, because no matter how big the hair is, no matter how large the chunk is, the root will be flat, the base of the hair will be flat. That's the starting point on your head of the hair would be flat, and that's what I love about it. So this is me nearly rounding off with the job, and as you can see, I am flexing. I am really excited at this point, honestly, because it was adding up, it was beginning to come together, it was coming to come. If you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do take a minute to subscribe, because I post videos about hair, natural hair, and all of that. Okay, and I'd like to have you. So see me, I'm smiling, I love it, and this is the finished product. So here at this point, for the edges, I used a bit of gel just for the front part of the hair. So this is what the entire hair looks like. Tell me you don't love it. I love it. I'm dancing already. Love every bit of it. As I said, I carried the hair for a day or two before I eventually made this other style I wanted to make. So have you subscribed yet? Go on and subscribe. Hit the like button and tell me if you'll be trying this method anytime soon. I have a full playlist on hairstyles that you can achieve in just a few minutes, quick and easy hairstyles, and I'll be dropping the link just up above. So click on it and watch more videos. Thank you.